Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable emojis on your Samsung keyboard. So they might not be displaying on here, so you can see it over there. So if you can see the toolbar right here and there's no emojis, just go to this little line and it should be under here. If it's not, we can go to the plus icon and we should be able to see it. Now all we have to do is just drag it from below to the top. Right here, put it on the toolbar, and then you should be able to use them. Just like this. Now, if you don't have the toolbar on here, you do have to enable this under the settings. So let's go to settings. I think it's under general management. So let's go on down. Here it is. Locate your Samsung keyboard. Tap this. And there should be an option for toolbar under here. So here it is, toolbar, keyboard, toolbar. So if you don't have this on, you're not going to see anything on your toolbar. So turn this on. Very important. Boom. And now you can use emojis. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.